Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW Z4 and you guys need to remove or replace alternator. Also guys, we're going to explain how to make sure to send you the end. We'll explain guys how an alternator that seems perfectly fine charging your battery, the moment you turn your car off, actually can discharge your battery and kill it. Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to cover that today. So we'll explain how to remove, how to replace alternator, where it's located and what needs to be done. You need to follow a few procedures, otherwise you can cause guys damage to the car that can cost thousands of dollars. Before we start, let me tell you all the tools and parts that we'll be using, or if you need to buy a new alternator, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from, guys, usually for a really good price. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, guys. And why we do that? Because our mission here is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. So many of you asked us to do that video, guys, and we'll be demonstrating on an N52 6-cylinder engine. But even if you have the N54 N55 engine, it will work as well. It will be very close procedure, but a few things may differ, and we'll explain that as well. If you have the Z4 that's in Europe with a 4-cylinder engine, the video could be very helpful because it will show you where the alternator is located and what needs to be done. Just a few things, a few minor details may be a little bit different. So let me show you what we have specifically here. This is, guys, as I said, N52 engine. This is the alternator. Usually you have your air filter box right here. You need to remove the air filter box, pretty simple, so it can make your life a little bit easier. Then you will, guys, need to start removing the alternator. But before we start, let me tell you one thing, guys. Check this channel out, How to Repair, guys. This is our main channel, and on this channel we have helped more than 75 million people, guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars in car repair, so please subscribe, constantly adding new information. So what needs to be done, guys? Check it out. This is your alternator. It's driven by the serpentine belt. We'll need to remove the belt. You guys have two wires that you need to disconnect. One wire goes to the engine computer and the instrument cluster and tells if the alternator is charging correctly, otherwise you will get a message and a battery symbol on the dash. The other wire is actually, this is a big cable, 12-volt supply cable that goes to the car battery and charges your battery. Now, you will need to disconnect the car battery first. Number one, guys, because if you touch that wire anywhere on the body, you short things out, you can damage your electrical system, you can burn engine computer, modules, quite a bit of damage. Number two, most of you don't know that, guys, but on modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and connect first, positive or negative. If you don't do it the right way, what can happen actually, guys? You can damage your electrical system, engine computer, other modules as well. We actually caused damage on another car that cost us about $2,000 because of that. And we have a special video that explains how to properly disconnect and connect your car battery. So check it out. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. All that being said, this is the alternator, this is the belt, this is belt tensioner. We're going to go ahead, release the belt now. Perfect. And this is with the torque socket. What is this one? 60. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. After that, guys, we'll need to disconnect the wires. So this is the wire towards the charging wire that tells us if the alternator is working or not. There is one knob that you need to press down and pull it out. Second, guys, we need to disconnect the 12-volt charging wire that goes to the car battery, either 13mm socket or 1/2. And a few bolts are recommended to be replaced every time you remove them, so we'll explain about that as we go. Make sure you don't drop your nut. Get the bolt out, the wire out, perfect, and we're going to install the nut now, so it just stays there and we don't lose it. Perfect. Then you will have that vacuum hose. That vacuum hose will attach here with usually with a bracket, plastic bracket, but ours is broken. You'll need to disconnect yours. And what we need to do next, we need to get a reverse torque socket, and we need to remove 4 bolts. These 4 bolts are recommended, guys, to actually be replaced every time you remove them. They're super lightweight, kind of like aluminum, magnesium, whatever they're called bolts, so those are recommended to be replaced. Now we're doing the top ones. And on the last one, you guys have to hold the alternator. Okay, hold it good because it will start dropping. Perfect. So that being done, okay, check it out. We're going to pull the two bolts here now. Okay, one of them is still holding a little bit. Perfect. Okay, and this is the alternator coming out of there. You can see just like that. So that's how you guys removed it. Now, if you want to know how an alternator can kill your battery, we have a video that explains all that, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below because the video got quite long. So I'll go ahead, do that, guys. Okay, and you just can check it out there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Putting it together, practically everything is in reverse order. We took it apart. Those bolts are recommended to be replaced. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.